Mapayaw to Matulot, pass to number 14, Aspili.
15-5.
Number 16, number 17, to number 24, bang! Castillo, bang! Wala pa din. Number 4, 4-3, bang!
Wala. Putback shot. Ayan yun. Nabutas ang itlog.
Yan guys, unang puntos ng Team Mapayaw. Castillo. Oh, naaga ulit. Naglalag to yung buyahin dan ako, bahala dan to. Sabaon pa rin ni Castillo, Castillo. Lakas ng mga Castillo guys.
Yang siya.
Team Mapayaw to Matulot, pass to number 14, Aspili.
15-5 and speed. Number 11, floating the mid lane, number 5. Attacking the ring, kick out, number
4-3.
24. Atake, floater, may kasama.
Oh. Oh.
Dito, De La Cruz na atong bola. Pass to number 14.
Aspili.
The basket. Floater. Open.
Oh, offensive foul.
Side. Nakuha ni number 36.
Wala. Matulot ngayon, Matulot.
Number 1.
Oh.
Long pass there. Wide basket and beyond.
Oscar Thomas, number 30 is personal penalty.
Down to 9 ang kalamangan ng Team Baguio. Number 4, bounce pass inside. Depende ang score mga idol.
Oh, pass to inside. Aspili.
To the
Pass.
middle.
Aspili for 3. Bang!
Kick out.
Aspili. Matulot.
Rebound De La Cruz. Pass to Castillo and pull up game. Manny for Castillo.
Oh, nice alley-oop shot.
And here's Baidan. Diretso floater. Wala. Rebound. To number 14 at Philly. To the middle. De La Cruz. Fires. And that's the tank build by number 13. De La Cruz. Number 7. De La Cruz. Bounce pass.
Time to shoot.
Foul.
Oh,
Castillo.
another pull-up jumper.
Pass to the side. Pinabitin pa. Sumobra. Margarata. Margarata. Pull up J. Manny.
Malakas.
Wala. Too strong. Margarata. 1 versus 2. Five.
Oh.
Bounce pass inside number 8.
Time to shoot.
Napaagaw lang. And it's Tim Baggio attacking the rim. And the net for number 11. Number 30 to number 4. Dito ni Espinosa. Lays up by Margarata. Pass back.
Oh.
Tapikan na naman dito. Mare-recover. Number 1 is Spin.
Time to shoot.
Open for Spin. Atake. Binitbit. Hook shot. Pasok yan kay Astin. Number 25. Pass to Danden at the middle. Spin move. 5. Shooting the glass. Wala. Rebound number 30 for Team Luna. Nagmamadali. Behind the back dribble. Pass it to the middle. Perimeter shot. And a basket for number 8. Team Luna. Number 6. Pass to number 4. Looking for the receiver. To the
Oy.
Darden. Open wide. Pasok yan kay Darden. Single hand shot.
Oh.
Nagawan, matatapikan. Mare-recover ng Team Luna. And it's a second violation.
Guys, official score 38-20. Five. Darden, pass to. Nako pa rin. Oh! Hey!
Perimeter long shot. Money on the 2 points.
Dang! 4-3. Lozanyes.
Time to shoot.
Matulot, spin move. Hey!
Number 1 ng Luna. 2 minutes left on the second quarter and Darden holding the ball. Passes to number 6. Number 4, launch at 3.
Bang! Back to back 3 by number 4. Ang
Ball low. Jersey number.
Baguio.
Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute left on the second quarter.
oh, nice bounce pass. Darden.
Pass break. 14 Luna. Alley-oop pass to
Uy.
Aspili. Rebound. Put back shot.
Wala pa din.
Rebound. Ulitin.
Wala pa din.
And it's a backdoor inbound. Number 4.
Uy.
Sinot sa ilalim ng ring.
That's the end of the second quarter.
Pass inside. Napakagandang connection to Castillo. From number 11.
Uy, nakuha ulit.
Nagawa na naman dito. Passes. Oh, again. The connection inside of Team Baguio.
Foul. Jersey number 45.
Number 16, number 17, to number 24. Bang!
3 points. Yarsia.
Number 1, pass 2. Wala pa din.
Espinosa Vibes. Wala. Rebound.
Bound by number 7.
The basket. To Velario, pass back to Margarata, number 24 to Margarata, to the middle, matatapitan, pass break naman. De La Cruz, pick outside, launch at 3,
Wala pa din. Castillo. Bang!
Thomas and Black. Jersey number 11.
Guys, kalahati ang lamang ng Team Baguio. Huli na naman guys.
and use Castillo
Castillo,
again.
pass
Bounce
to
pass inside play.
Yarsia.
Yarsia,
Bang!
Yarsia. De La Cruz, attacking the basket, pinasa ng kalaban, Enrico Margarata.
Oh, side step.
Floater shot.
Eh.
For Margarata.
Matulot for 3. Wala pa din. Mali dyan ang kabilang na G-Core score.
Margarata. And number 16, basket for 2. Margarata. Pass back to Espinosa. Pass inside
Oh,
the corner.
eh.
Espinosa to
Wow, all in, all out.
and number 25 to the middle. Number 4, floater shot. Rebound, put back shot and bouncing home. Take 5 to 3.
Wala pa din.
Rebound by Darden. Pass to the middle, number 25, 14 Baggio. And Miss Darvin, pass back.
Number 4, 4-3, bang!
Baggio. Number 25. To number 36, Tadi Step.
Step and a foul.
Out pang natitira.
Yun guys,
Dagdag 2 minutes na.
48-30 kaninang mag-start tayo ng third quarter. Hindi naka-score ang Team Apayaw sa third quarter natin guys. Yan guys, fourth quarter na tayo mga idol. Pull up jumper. Castillo for the putback. Huli na naman guys. Yun lang, tumama sa mukha ni Castillo. Bantay. Makaka-score na kaya ang Team Apayaw. Number 30. Black. Official score natin guys, 87-30. Oh, gandang pasa. Number 11. And guys, this is a chance. Sa wakas guys, naka-score na din ang Team Apayaw. Oh, nice pass. De La Cruz. Number 16, pass to number 6, pass to number 4. Number 4, pass to number 16. Number 16.
Time to shoot.
Oh, niligaw!
Number 11. Pass to Matulot. Nahulol niya naman.
Kick off.
And here go again, Team Baggio, Valero, passes to the middle, number 6.
Number 4.
Number 4, attacking the rim. And pull up J off the window, money!
De La Cruz. Wala pa din.
And this number 6, 14 Baggio. To the middle, number 4. Pass
Pass
to the middle,
to-
pull up J. Nagmatawa yung bola, pumasok mga idol. And now, number 7 to 36. And Baggio up by more than 50. Target in a bomba and a basket for number 1. 14 blue stop, pass to the middle, number 10. This spin move, kick out.
Number
Pass to
6.
number 6. Cross pass to number 4. Open
4-3. Bang! Pang 5 3 points natin guys. Pass pa din.
And he's number 6 for Team Baguio. Pass to the middle. Again
For 3. Bang! Pang-anim na 3 points.
Number 30 De La Cruz. Pass back number 30. Over shot. And back to from the hook. Pass to Kuya. And 9 seconds only.
Oh, nice pass sa loob.
At the back. And it's number 10. Over shot. The save and the shot. And the basket. And connects the 2 points from number De La Cruz. Ball is stolen. 14 Baguio. Number 16 there. Bounce back.
Oh.
Side fake and fire.
Eh.
Coming from number 24.
Remaining time 16.5 seconds.
And guys, official score end of the fourth quarter. 107-42. An overwhelming victory by Team Baguio.
Will also compete